In this quiet space, just you and me. Can't explain it, but feel you close to me. When the night falls soft and the world slows down, take my hand now, let go of sound. Just breathe with me. Breathe with me. Just breathe with me. Slow and easy. Just breathe with me. Breathe with me. Till we're floating free. No need for words now. Your rhythm and mine. Two hearts beating low. Perfect design. As the minutes fade into morning blue, nothing matters but me and you. Just breathe with me. Breathe with me. Just breathe with me. Slow and easy. Just breathe with me. Breathe with me. Till we're floating free. Let it all dissolve into air so sweet. Two souls finding peace, two hearts meet. Just breathe with me. Breathe with me. Just breathe with me. Slow and easy. Just breathe with me. Breathe with me. Till we're floating free. Soft ice against glass, another night begins. Watch them floating, thinking they're bulletproof. Behind this bar, I see through your glass. Designer suits can't hide what's underneath. You swagger in with borrowed confidence. I pour your truth, watch it spill and see. Every Friday night, same performance art. Different actors wearing the same damn part. I mix your drinks while you mix your lies. Baby, I know better than your alibis. Behind this bar, I see through your glass. You think you're deep, but you're running shallow. Behind this bar, time moves so fast. Yeah. Tomorrow's regrets are already tomorrow. Oh, that wedding ring you slip in your pocket. Think I don't notice how you play the game. Your lips say urban-y, but your eyes are searching for something I won't name. 3 hours deep, masks start to crack. Designer perfume fades to black. I've seen 1,000 just like you, drowning sorrows in my blue. Behind this bar, I see through your glass. You think you're deep, but you're Tomorrow's regrets are already tomorrow. And sometimes late at night, when all the players have gone home, I pour myself a drink and face what I've become. A keeper of secrets, a judge behind wood grain. But who am I to talk? I'm still here doing the same. Behind this bar, I see through your glass. One last time. You think you're deep, but you're running shallow. Behind this bar, time moves so fast. Tomorrow's regrets are already tomorrow. Tomorrow. Another late shift by the water. Clock strikes 12 like every night. Something pulls me to stay longer when that full moon shines so bright. Can't explain these ripples forming, no winter night so still, so clear. Heart skips when surface breaks and you appear. Every 30 days I'm waiting, never early, never late. My job says I should stop you, but I hesitate. Why do you only come when the moon is full? Why do you only swim when the moon is full? Water beads across your shoulders. Never speak, just float on by. Breaking rules to watch you longer. Can't look away, don't ask me why. Sometimes think I'm just imagining the way you smile up at the sky. Every month I'm getting closer to diving in. Every 30 days I'm shaking. Should I break this sacred space? My mind says I should stop this, but I can't escape. Why do you only come when the moon is full? Why do you only swim when the moon is full? Between duty and desire, between water and the shore, between reality and something more, something more. Why do you only come when the moon is full? Why do you only swim when the moon is full? When the moon is full. When the moon is full. Every night I take the stage, moving through the blue light haze. They all watch but don't really see what these movements mean to me. Kimi wa mite know how you watching in this crowded space. Watashi no kokoro wa my heart is racing at your face. Dancing for the crowd, but moving for you. Every step I take is something to prove. Dancing for them all, but feeling you near. When our eyes connect, they all disappear. They disappear. Baby, they disappear. Professional smile, practice grace, but my eyes keep finding your face. In the VIP section tonight, where the water casts blue light. Behind these choreographed moves, there's a message just for you. Every spin tells a different tale, one that makes my heartbeat feel. Motochi kakuni, through this midnight air. Kimito odorita, I wanna dance with, but I wouldn't dare. Dancing for the crowd, but moving for you. Every step I take is something to prove. Dancing for them all, but feeling it near. When our eyes connect, they all disappear. They disappear. Baby, they disappear. Should I break all the rules? Leave the stage behind. Take your hand in mine. Make this moment true. La la la, watching you, watching me. Watching you. La la la, feeling so wild and free. Feeling free. Dancing for the crowd, but moving for you. Every step I take is something to prove. Dancing for them all, but feeling you near. When our eyes connect, they all disappear. They all fade away. Nothing else remains. When everyone's gone and the water's still, I pull out my mop, just doing my fill. But something about this space calls to me. In empty halls where no one can see, these marble floors and chandeliers been watching me hide all these years. Each night I wait till the last guest fades away. Away, away. Echo of these walls till the morning calls. Let my voice take flight in the pure blue light, in the blue light. Found your note by the diving board. Keep seeing it said, can't be ignored. Never knew someone heard me here. Your words make my purpose clear. Now every shift feels like a stage, and every note helps turn the page. Watch me soar, watch me fly, so high. Oh yeah, yeah. Bye, set me free. late at night by the water, just me here. Something familiar in the ripples, moving slow. Looking down, getting closer, almost there. Think I know the face but different.